Welcome, this is Panda-Frog, and today I got this little box 1 of 1 from PACLOCK. So let's dive into it and see what we got. Already opened it, of course, because I was too anxious. I really wanted to know. So go away box, you're not needed anymore. So usually you can't order from PACLOCK in the US, from Europe, so I wrote that one guy, and he set me up. I just had to put in the order. I could pay, I believe, via PayPal, and here it is. Alright, which one we open today first? Let's open, what is this? It should be the PL410 Pro lockout takeout box. Lock. It is beautiful. The keyboard is wide open. Wow. And there are the stickers. Nice. I love it. Let me check out the key. Seven pins. Wow. A lot of pins. Doesn't snap. It's not spring loaded, huh? No. Okay. So the shackle is not spring loaded. I mean, if you have it on a chain or somewhere, then it still opens. So we got here the 98 Pro, which is a blue belt, I believe. Oh, look at the finish on that lock. I really like that. Check out the key. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7. What's the 7 pins? Oh my god, what did I order for monsters? That's a nice snap. Okay, so you can't turn back the key. You have to close the shackle and then turn back. Alright, that's something new for me. Very nice made. The closing mechanism is a little strange to me. And now we got the TL88A, which is the first one of these kind. Never have had one of these. The UCS 88A. Finally a smaller key. There's also only one key with the 98 Pro. Huh, strange. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. This is big and heavy and blue. Oh, the whole core retracts. Ah. I have to get used to this. It's curious, not too bad. And the kiwi in the 90A. It's pretty open. 98 Pro. And in the Lotto, it's also pretty open. But 7 pins to attack is, of course, something different, huh? Is it guttable? Or they used in Imbus? Not a... the other screw, the Phillips head. Alright, so again to this one. I want to stick my pick in some lock today, so probably this one. Okay, I can leave it open. But then it will, okay. So how this works. got this little flat here, and you turn it, and then you can get into this, between these bars, then you turn back, and then it's closed. Okay, so let me get this one in a vise. Let me see what I can do. Probably will not opening it, but I want to stick a pic in it. Today, now. And we're gonna use, let me see, deep hook maybe? Yeah. Let's use my new medium hook. And what tensioning tool we are using today. Let me get my tensioning toolbox. This should work nicely. Okay. So as we can see on the key, you need to get behind this one. This should be fine. I don't know what kind of pins are in there, probably spools, maybe serrated. But let's get to it. So I'm at pin 1. There's one click on 2, small one, probably serrated. There's a bigger click on 3. Another click on 3. Sound like a serration on 4. Yeah, it is serrated. So now we get to 5. Springy. I already got a click on 6. Okay, back to the front. I don't want to overset anything. I already get counter rotation if you can see it. Let me get a little more zoom in here without me losing. So you can see the counter rotation. So the first one should be, it's probably spool. See that? This one is spool. Hopefully I can set it without dropping. Okay, looks set. Feels set. 2 is okay. Back to 3. Kind of slipped something here. And I have to say the pics from Engineering Snowman, they're great. They were great. It's the first real look I attacked with them. Oh, that was serrated. Okay, back to 1. Springy. The 3 is springy again. Okay. No strange noise. Another click there on 4, I believe. Nice click on 2. I hope I didn't overset it. I got a little counter rotation on 3. It's 4 is springy now. 5 is springy. I want to get the scoop in to try it out. The scoop feels nice on the head of the pin. Now going back to the deep medium hook. Probably did overset something here. Huh. That was the first one. There was counter rotation, and we had. But I'm not getting a real full set or anything. The tolerances must be great in this knock. I don't feel it like a fourth set or anything, but okay, so I lost it. Okay, one more little try. I like the blue. Too bad I didn't get the other. Didn't get the 98 in blue. I didn't mention the color I wanted, so yeah, it's not their fault. All right, one more try and then. Okay, it's one click. Three, nothing. 4, nothing. 5, nothing. One click on of 6. Almost lost the tool. One little click out of 2. Still nothing on 3. It's serrated on 4, I believe. Ah, there must be a spool. No, it's springy. I believe this one is set good now. Two is set. It's very crunchy. Okay, so just to try, it feels great. I will need to have some time with it. So I believe there are some spools and some serrated in it. I really quickly want to put in my pick in the 98. Probably won't open it, but just to see how it feels. So I can use same. Sorry, I don't see anything right now. Oh, okay. I need something else. Something else. Just for trying it out. Just to see how it feels. So that's the 7-pin. Yeah. I need a different tension tool. It doesn't work for me. No, it doesn't work. It's not good enough for me. That might work better. I hate it when the cores are moving like in the 1100 or this one. I can't really get anything here. Ah, that's not good. I have to think about a different tensioning tool. So now we got my tensioning tool should work in this one. So that's a Lotto. It's also 7 pins. I want to get my pick in there really quick. Quick. No, I'm not going to open it. Probably not. But we are going to try to feel the pins. That's too big. I need some different tools. I need to make me a tensioning tool probably. That doesn't work. And this takes too much room. Sorry for the noise. I might go with a small one. I don't have a lot control with this one because it's too small, but it might not work. Damn it. Where are all my tools? I'm missing a couple bars. They're probably in my box upstairs. Anyways, that's it for today. Little pick attempt on the 88A. I really like this lock. I like all locks of them. They're all nice. They're different compared to like 1100 or something. I will need some work in it. I believe the 88, I almost got it. Probably overset something, but I will need to have some time with it. This one is strange. Spring loaded, but it doesn't turn back. So I have to cut it and we'll see. And we got the Lotto lock. Let's put it this way for the picture. Alright, this is my new collection of PACLOCKs. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.